Up here at the top of Rendezvous Peak, 10,400 feet. Took the tram. It took about 15 minutes to get up here. And it's actually not that cold. The temperature is 63 degrees. It's like 65 down in Jackson. So it's kind of weird that it's pretty much the same temperature. Mom and Lydia went off somewhere. I think they went to get a waffle cone or something in the little building. Let me just show you what it's like up here. So they run the trams every 15 minutes. There's not a lot going on up here. Everybody's pretty much just arriving and getting their picture taken. There you have it. Talk to you soon.